Starting now, Be'elishem is Baruch, Mesechus Shekalim, Daf Aleph. We're following the Dafim of the old edition, the Vilna edition, Varsha Vilna, not the one from Oizvahada. Dr. Mishnah. Be'echad, Ba'adar, Mashmir, and Shekalim. The first day of Adar, you announce people to give Shekalim. Now I'm writing here Akdama in the Chutzah, but the man of Mishnah, Shaku, Shekel, Shalom. In the Mishnah, it's in the Torah, give Machtas a shekel, but in the Mishnah's time they give it a whole shekel because that's a half a selah. And also you announce people should take care of the kalayim. The roads and the squares. That's mikvahs. Hamayim in the mikvahs, the public mikvahs. Voisin called Tzarcha Rabim. Matayim ala kvaris v'yoytzim af ala kalayim. Then you also sends out people to make sure people took care of the kalayim. Because we want that should come on time. It means the first day of Nisan we want to have it because we want to buy already from that money the new karbanos. It's time to halishka b'achadasha b'zman b'echadas. Milva vitzchak teruma halishka kitchulasa. Just like the first time the Truma was done when the Mishkan was second year, the first day of the Chodesh, that's the Chodesh Nisan. The same la'asid, we make the Truma Salishka also about the first day of Nisan. It says like this. Nemar kan the Chatshe, Nem La'alan Chatshe, Machash Nemar, and Nisan, different drasha. How do you know that Echad Nisan is the Rosh Hashanah for the Karbanis? You have to bring Karbanis from the new money. You learned out from the Hashanah. It says Chatshe Hashanah means Nisan. Nisan is the new year. Amar B'yoyin Shavak Reptavi Rosh Hashanah B'Ama Sefer. Kadodetani Zois Oilas Chodesh B'Chatsh Yochel Yeh Toyer B'Chol Chodesh B'Chatsh B'Chatsh Hashanah B'Chodesh Echad Toyer B'Chatsh Hashanah. One Chodesh for all the years. So it's the same thing. He's just saying that he left over the first part of the Bryce. Dod Gemara. My Mashmiyan. Rabbeinu Omer Machrizim. Ich matat Omer nicht noch kol wieder b'shalom. Announcement. Tamatanin. It says the Meshachta Megillah, Ein ben adorishon al Sheni el mikra Megillah matos tavir. Sim shivim. Malevi af shimu shekalim kalam. We don't make this mashmir of shekalim and a kalayim only the second order. The mission doesn't want to tell you only that you should know that Mikra Megillah you cannot do B'Chodesh adoration, but it's not trying to tell you that other things are. It's not the point to tell you that that other things are not adoration. It just wants to tell you that Mikra Megillah you do not do adoration. But not, you should make a deal from this. And other things is not. For example, Achrozes Kalayim or Shema Shekalim. It comes only to teach you. Don't think it can be geared to Megillah adoration. Zod Gemara. Abchelbe v'nu b'shem Rabbi shem Hafir Rabbi. Hakbel yotzim yidash is man kiriyasa. Side note, even the Mekaf man yotzim yidash. The two here is from the Oiz Bahadur. and somebody asked me to do it. That's why it's written here. But we're going to go till the end of the regular. Oh my goodness, be yours. Klum am mishmir al shkam nek de shek gebish shos gesehen bei Nasa. Niemand immer bei other Rishon, at then is shot the shit of Yemen. Why should he be making a cross so early? In another 60 days. Klum am jetzt mal klein, ich say it's machen bekommen. Mit immer der Rishon aktuell in the kingdom, they're still very small. Ches geschom. At bnei babo mishmir al shkam Rishon shel khayr. You say the whole reason has to do to bring it on time, so in Babel it takes much longer to get to Eretz Yisrael. Like the Shivi is such a claim, and also the term is he doesn't answer anything on this question. He's saying you're saying that the whole point is to bring it on time, and that's why by Shalom Beberes you do it Ma'od Sheni. But if that's the whole reason, why in Babel don't you do it much earlier? Also, we look at Merman. But in Gilum Prak Mashal Thomas Lishka, Pesach Pesach, Pesach says, Pesach Chag. Neymar in the Krave Pesach Pesach, in the Chikim Pesach, in the Chikim and Pesach Chag. You know what he says like this. You know what I'll say like this. Like we can answer this question with a different halacha. There's 3 times that you make Trumas Halishka. One is done after Benisn, one is done 15 days before Shavuos, one is done 15 days before Sukkot. Maybe Taka this is the reason. Because the people from Babel, they can't get there very, it takes a long time. So for them, that's why I make a new Truma Salishka before Sukkot to use their shekalim. That's not because the shekalim. That's not that it happened that they got shekalim later on. Everything came at the same time. I guess maybe there's some exceptions, but basically everything came just to make it pumbi, make it public. That's why they made 3 different times of the year to make Truma Sadishka. How come you read this and not become scared, not become embarrassed? The Toiva called the Blake, the Rav is Pakakalam. The Toiva, it's a Moshe's Am, the Rav, the Tikibra Lake Kilcha. There it says everybody can. Here it says only a few. And there it says Kol Devlev, and there it says Levis Pakakalam. The Toiva, the Yashim Moshe, and Israel, it's a Kol Edom. They didn't need to have any help. They just started together. Maar begin je bij ach en schimi je schiet kan schossen je is de baskoma je is om er bij bagen een dat je gelaan dat ufia aan de natures om die betonen eigen is dat waarom is kan is you always ready to give ton heb je heb je ze beginnen Adam is net hè dat is gepait zo toje bezorg je kapire ze kapel eigen zo zo eigen it's a kapara the kapara from the kapara is the zofn kapara is machaper on the Zohar Shel Egel. I guess that's why it's called Kapara. It's Machaper. Okay, this is the end of Daf Aleph.